In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Minecraft with your friends on PlayStation 4 and Mobile. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do is first select Play from the main menu and head over to the Friends tab. In here, you will find the Add Friends button, and you will be able to input their gamer tag or PSN network ID to add them. Of course, you need to be signed into a Microsoft account, but after you are, you will be able to, like I said, input their gamer tag and add them through here. Once you have them added and listed under your friends list, you can join any world you wish to play together, wait for it to load, and inside the world, you can open up the pause menu to find on the right side of your screen a way to invite them to your game. There are other ways to play with friends like using realms, but for this method, just load into the map, pause the game, and at the right side of the screen, as you can see over here, you should have access to this Invite to Game button. As you can see, it's grayed out because I'm not logged into a Microsoft account, but as long as both of you are added and friends within Minecraft Bedrock Edition, you can invite each other to your worlds through here. Alternatively, you can just go back to the play icon and select servers and join a server over here together. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft with friends on PlayStation 4 and Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.